Consider it the superhighway of the nervous system. Take good care of it and you will be completely well. Welcome to Spine Care. Intercare Health Systems is the leader in natural, non-surgical, and non-invasive treatments of musculoskeletal pain and injuries. Headed by Dr. Martin Camara, Intercare is committed to helping its patients perform their best by providing the best comprehensive healthcare program customized to the patient's needs. Congratulations, Dr. Martin, on the success of Intercare and now Spine Care.
You know, when we started in 1993, we were really just very young, very passionate. We were really wanting to introduce a new technology into the Philippines. No? At that time, it was chiropractic.
So today, Intercare is like how many modalities?
We have chiropractic, we have general medical consultations, we have physical therapists that work with the group, we have medical massage therapists, we have acupuncturists. So that would be sort of like the service mix, including counseling, because sometimes you need lifestyle counselors to help you through particular issues. No? But what's new is what they call Class 4 medical laser treatments. And lasers have an amazing ability to heal and regenerate the body by introducing energy into your cells. It's actually a very innovative technique. No? So if you think about it in very simplistic terms, you're transferring the energy of the machine into the energy of your cells so it can begin a healing process. And the interesting things can actually be measured. So if you take one molecule and run it through a cycle, it will create 3 blocks of something, no? ATP in scientific. With laser, that same molecule will create 33 blocks of energy, so it's called ATP. So this is now energy your body uses to heal, regenerate things. It can help get rid of inflammation, it can help get rid of oxidation, and all sorts of cool stuff.
So tell us about Intercare and Spine Care and how you can take care of people's health conditions.
Most people have a problem with their physical structural body. No? So they could have very subtle misalignments of their spine, but because of that, they're putting uneven wear and tear on one side of their body versus the other. So if left untreated over time, you can develop problems with your foot, you can get problems with your knee, your hip, or your lower back. So if the idea behind Intercare or chiropractic care is that if you identify problems early on, before they become major problems, you can get rid of it before it develops into a more serious problem. Okay, so chiropractic is one of the things that we do, and we do quite well. As you said, we pioneered chiropractic in the Philippines.
Dr. Abdel, welcome to the Philippines.
Thank you so much.
So Canadian by birth, with Tunisian roots, educated in New York, and with your practice in Oman and Singapore. So we're so happy you're in the Philippines and sharing your expertise with us.
Thank you, thank you.
Tell us about Spine Care.
So for the spine care, the goal is actually help patients, since if we're looking at the statistics, low back pain and neck pain have been the leading cause of disability. And so a lot of people are constantly taking painkillers, medications, some have to go through surgeries. And our goal is to provide a natural, drugless, non-invasive method to help patients with the low back pain and neck pain and give them the appropriate thing.
So this is the spine.
Yes.
How can we better understand our spine?
All right, so when we're looking at the spine, we have basically the spine is composed of the cervical, thoracic, and lumbar, which is your neck, your mid-back, and your low back. And these are what we call the vertebra. and between the vertebra there is a disc. So if you hear of the word slip disc,
Right.
okay. Behind the disc there is this yellow thing which is called the nerve. And the nervous system controls everything in the body. So just like the electrical wire that's controlling the camera, the nerves from the neck will go to your shoulders, will go to your elbows and to your fingers. So it's gonna control the movement and the sensation. The nerves from the mid-back will go to your organs, so to the heart, to the lung, to the stomach, to the kidney, to the spleen. And then the nerves in the low back will go and control the legs. So these nerves, they have to function without any interference. Now, a lot of times with doing the wrong activities, improper lifting, sitting for long hours, these discs start to degenerate. And when there is a lot of pressure on those discs, that's what can create the intervertebral disc pathology. That's where the robotic spinal decompression comes into place. Okay. So when we look at these discs, if the disc size is smaller and the disc is dehydrated, then there is less space for this nerve. And as this nerve is compressed, then that's when people will start having pain, numbness, tingling, etc.
You have expanded. How many branches do you have now?
Well, for now, we have Green Hills, Makati, and Alabang. This clinic is our fourth clinic. It's in Ortigas. We opened this in December last year. And then by June or July, Ayala will be turning over a space in Glorieta. So we'll be opening there as well. If you're suffering from any type of condition, if you've got back pain or you have certain challenges that you're working through, I think we can help. We can point you in the right direction. We have a group of doctors that are organized to help you in the best possible way. We have chiropractic specialists, we have medical doctors, we have physical therapists, and we're really there to just provide as much value for the community as possible. Pay us a visit and see, and yeah, we'll see you soon, I guess.
Intercare's goal is to provide personalized, comprehensive, and multidisciplinary healthcare programs using natural and non-surgical methods. Here, every patient is guaranteed the highest professional standards to achieve optimum health and wellness. So now you know, take good care of your spine and you will be A-OK.